channel. My name is Blessing Shamaka of Makai's Cakes and Pastries. I am a Nigerian baker. Okay, guys, we're talking about homemade the perfect homemade buttermilk. So I'm taking you down the process of how to achieve this wonderful homemade buttermilk. But before I start, guys, I learned, I noticed that I got new subscribers into my YouTube channel. I actually use this opportunity to welcome my new subscribers, to my channel. And I hope you enjoy your stay while watching some of the video tutorials in this channel. So you're welcome, and keep staying glued to this channel for more video tutorials, guys. Okay, so to the business of the day, like I said, learning how to make the perfect homemade buttermilk. Now, buttermilk has two major ingredients, which is the milk, the fresh lemon juice, or your white vinegar. It's either you use white vinegar flour to make a buttermilk, or you use fresh lemon juice. And by the time the moment you added the white vinegar or the lemon juice into your milk, it makes automatically it becomes buttermilk. Now there are different types of buttermilk in the supermarket, which is the ready-made buttermilk. You can get it in the stores or in the supermarket. But then why are you wasting your money to get the ready-made, whereby you can actually stay at the comfort of your home to make the homemade type? I'm going to be teaching you how to achieve that homemade buttermilk. Now buttermilk is a kind of thick texture, it's not like it's a very thick one like a yogurt, but then when you make it, you can actually feel the light thick texture in the buttermilk. Now I prefer to use white vinegar to make my buttermilk because it reacts faster. It gives me that light thick texture that I want, unlike the fresh lemon juice. This one here is actually really okay. It's okay, it's really okay. But I still prefer, if you ask me my choice, I'm going to choose the white vinegar, guys. So let's get to the procedure. But before I start this procedure, please kindly hit the subscribe button to get more video tutorials in my YouTube channel. So guys, to the procedure. Now this is my milk. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of hot vinegar into my milk. Now for every 1 cup of milk, you use 1 tablespoon of either the vinegar or the fresh lemon juice. You can go down to see the description of this video. It's the full recipe and the procedure is in the video. Just click down below to check. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of my white vinegar because I have 2 cups of milk. So we'll add the first one, then I'm adding the second one. Now this is it. So by the time you're done, you're going to give it a stir. Give it a stir. Keep it a stir, and then you allow it to settle for probably 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, for you to coagulate so that it can give us that light thick texture that we want. With lemon, it actually takes a little bit longer, probably 10 minutes for you to react. With buttermilk, it doesn't really take time. So when you add in the white vinegar, give it a stir, or if you add in your fresh lemon, give it a stir. And then with this, it's already a buttermilk already. There are other good brands. I use the full cream milk anyway. There are other good brands that sells full cream milk. You can actually buy it. But then if you don't have, you can afford it, you can just get some cups of water and then add in some measurement of the powder milk, and then you have the real milk before you're not adding your vinegar. So this is it. It has started reacting gradually. So guys, I hope you can see the reaction from the spoon, and then you can see the reaction inside the cup of of this buttermilk. So it means that my white vinegar is actually active, and it's already forming some kind of light texture already. You can see clearly. So guys, that's all how to make the perfect homemade buttermilk. Hope you can see it clearly. This is the reaction of the cup. Guys, I hope you understand this aspect of how to make the perfect home buttermilk. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial, or I hope you understand every aspect of this video. If you do, just hit the subscribe button to get more video tutorials from my channel. In the meantime, guys, I'll see you in my next video. if you need me to probably teach you one or two things, you can just tell me what you want me to teach you in the comment section, and then we'll see how we can go about it. Guys, thanks so much for sticking around with me. Always stay glued to this channel for more upcoming video, guys. In the meantime, bye for now.